All right, so today we are going to replace the awning fabric on this RV here. So we've got it all the way out, and you can see that this one is torn. It's got holes all in it where it's kind of been taped along, cracked all through here. And this is probably the original awning fabric on this 2017 travel trailer. So we've got a new awning fabric here. This is a Solera awning. We have a new awning fabric that was provided to us by a company called Awning. It is a US manufactured fabric. So they sent it to us. Gonna try it out to see how it goes. I'll show you here in a minute how it's come. It's come in a box, everything folded up with the spline cords are not in it. Some manufacturers send it all together. Some leave the spline cords out so they can fold it up and ship it more compactly. These we're gonna have to lay the fabric out, put the spline cords through it. We're gonna get this awning off, get this fabric off, get the new one rolled up, and get it put on. So the first thing that we've got to do is we got to get this awning rolled back up to about 12 to 18 inches out, and we're gonna secure it back with zip ties, and then we can get the roller and everything off. All right, so we got it put out just a little bit here. First thing we're gonna do is that's all we're doing right there, just pulling it back enough and securing it so it doesn't shoot out when we take the roller off. Let's get the other side done. All right, now generally when you're taking these off, these things should have a set screw on the rail here to hold this in place. This one you can see does not, because it's moving completely back and forth. So when we put it back in, we're gonna have to put set screws in, which will keep it from rolling up out of place like it is here. It has set screws in the rail, but it does not have set screws on the coach side. So we'll fix that when we put it back in. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do here is, I'm going to get a different bit, is we're going to take each one of these screws out on the rollers on both sides. Then we can be able to take it free and we'll be able to slide it out. There's only 3 screws in this one, so that's that side. We will go down and do the other. All right, got that one broken loose there. So we'll get another set of hands and we'll get the other one off. So that's the first step, is taking that, and we're going to get it out the other side, and we'll slowly lower it down. Well, right now I want to rest it right here on this. Hold it right there where you got it. So this is where you put 2 kids holding it and you just walk off and go have a drink and leave them holding it.
Help!
All right.
Am I good?
I got it, Jacob. I got it. We're going to come out here with it. So, you need 1 good helper, quiet kid, and 1 complaining kid to do this. You got to have it. No exceptions. Because this one's so bad, and there's only the 3 of us in the position that we're in, I went ahead and cut it, pull it off, and then I can pull the spline out. Ideally, you would want to just take it out, walk it out, and then walk it back in the way we're going to walk it in here in a minute. So let's get the old spline out. All right, now this is how this one all came. And open up the box and it's like this. So instructions, they're not the greatest. It comes with some little attachments here. There's a pull cord in there if you need it for manual. Your spline, there's a push thing that I won't be using here, and the fabric. So we're gonna get the fabric laid out over here. I've cleared a spot, got my blower out and blown off spot out here in the drive, and we're gonna roll this thing out and get the splines put in. So this is the flap down here. So the black spline goes on the coach side, on the rail side. So we'll have to get that one fed in. So very gently pushes through. First impression of the awning fabric is good. Seems to be good quality. I opted for solid black. I didn't want the black and white fade again. White gets dirty so easy. Yes, I know black gets hotter. but I think I'm gonna like it better. And this is my rig, so I get to make that choice. Solera and some of the others come with the spline already pre-installed. Doesn't seem too bad so far. The last little bit's gonna be the fun part. And just about even amount out on both sides, which we have. All right. And then we are going to put the other gray into this. And here, it gives you a second gray cord if you need it. If you've got a double roll or something like that, or light. This one doesn't. So, same thing. Start at one end, push it to the other. Just gonna make sure everything's straight so you don't tear anything. And you'll notice when I run this through the roller, I will pick up as I slide. Make sure I don't tear anything. Alright, the only thing that we're replacing, the fabric we're replacing, has 2 splines in. The one we're putting on only has the one. So this one has a couple of set screws. I'm going to pull these set screws out. Bring this awning fabric out. And then it's just going to slide out. And we can get rid of the old fabric. This is when you tell a kid, take that and drag it out of the way. And then you take a break and you go get a drink or two because he'll still be working on it. So this is where I said we're going to put it in and pick it up as we work down on that spline. This is where you want to make sure we don't tear the fabric. This is where I want to take a tape measure and measure from the end, and you'll be able to see where the caps go. So make sure you don't get into that. Make sure that we're good on both ends before we start rolling. All right, there we go. All right, once you get this set and get it measured right, you want to put the set screws back in place. That is going to keep the awning from moving. All right, and this is where you put somebody on both corners. This is where we start rolling. Alright, now we got everything put back in. I do not have set screws in yet, but we're putting the caps back in. And at this point, we can actually release the awning. Release the zip ties. And we're going to test it and make sure it rolls properly before we put those set screws back in. This is where we want to make sure everything goes in and out properly and is lined up before we put set screws back in place on the coach side. And that's a pretty new awning. And we'll make sure it rolls properly. All right, so that is the OnLux fabric install. It is much easier when you have extra ladders and extra people. I have one ladder, a picnic table, and a truck and 2 kids, but it's really that simple. On the Solera awning, there is no spring attached, so you just have to take off the end caps. Main thing is lining it back up. So I'm going to put some set screws in that weren't in there, and we're going to call it did and enjoy the awning.